Your ranch is your home. It is built unlike any other, and what'll be left behind long after you're gone. When no two ranches are the same, a basic cattle handling system is simply not good enough. What you need is a system that brings you one step closer to a better today for a secured tomorrow. Introducing your custom cattle handling system, a cattle handling solution designed for you, your ranch, your family, and your future. With AeroQuip, you get years of industry experience backed with animal science research to help you achieve a safer, easier, and more efficient operation. It all starts with heavy-duty steel. When every panel and gate is powder-coated to perfection, you're guaranteed a system that will be with you for generations to come. For added security, the steel railings feature a wide rectangular shape to reduce bruising, appearing as a highly visible barrier. Every cow, calf, and bull will be right where you want them to be at all times. With our unique 4-way pin connection, the possibilities are endless, allowing our livestock experts to work with you and your unique needs to design the handling system you deserve. The Draft Pound is the heart of your system, giving you access to all your pins in one central location. When a single person can safely and easily sort alone, you can move cattle faster with less effort. With the Draft Pound, there's no need for a lead-up or other dangerous sorting methods. This is your key to achieving optimal flow and efficiency like never before. With durable panels, a custom design, and animal science, cattle will flow through your handling system with ease. On top of that, your handling system can be simply modified or expanded at any time. Whether you have 800 head of cattle or just 8, your system can grow and evolve with your ranch, giving you a legacy to pass on in the future. Less time, less effort, less cost, and less stress. When working cattle is done safely and efficiently, you get to save time and money for things that truly matter. This is your custom cattle handling system. Let's work cattle together. Visit AeroQuip.com to learn more.